Hi, this is a short video on how to install the Streamit Lisa compact player. Inside the box you will find a Streamit Lisa compact player, a power supply cable, a stereo audio cable with RCA connectors, a network cable, 3 power adapters depending on the country you are in, the installation manual where you can find all the information and explanatory images about the installation. Now you're ready to see how to set up the wiring. Plug the power cable into the designated connector. The next step is to connect the network cable to the Ethernet port of the player. Green and yellow LEDs should light up at the Ethernet input. After that, attach both left and right RCA connectors of the audio cable to the audio outputs of the player, following the colors to help you. Ensure that the other end of the cable is connected to the amplifier inputs. Now you should see the 4 LEDs on the front of the player turning on a stable green light, indicating the device is working correctly. Should you experience any issues, please refer to the various issues section of the installation manual. If the problem still persists, please call our customer service team or send an email.